Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your multi-game card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in multigamecard.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for multi-game card. Now from this page, you will be able to find the check card balance option as well as the check balance button at the top section. You can simply enter your card code within the Check My Balance page or the pop-up menu and then click on View My Balance or click on Check Balance at the top section. You can also scroll down and underneath Guide, you will be able to find how to redeem MGC option. Go ahead and click on it and you will see the steps that you will need to follow. Just follow through the steps and open up your game and you will find the redeem button right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your gift card or your code on multi-game card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.